Let's face it, the world of sales commissions can be a mystery. It feels like there's a secret formula that only managers and accountants understand. But what if there was a way to make sales commissions crystal clear for everyone? Enter spiff, a name that might sound funny, but its impact on the sales world is anything but. In today's video, we're diving deep into spiff. We'll uncover how long they've been around, what they do, and why they're shaking things up in the sales game. So, buckle up, grab your metaphorical calculator. We promise this won't be a math lesson, and let's get started. The frustration of traditional sales commissions. Imagine this: you're a killer salesperson, crushing your quotas and exceeding targets. You deserve a hefty commission, right? But then comes the dreaded commission check. It's lower than expected, and after digging through a labyrinthine spreadsheet, you still don't understand why. Sound familiar? Traditional sales commission structures are often complex and opaque. They can involve a mix of base salaries, quotas, product tiers, and bonus incentives. It's a headache for both salespeople, constantly trying to decipher their earnings, and finance teams struggling with manual calculations and errors. Enter spiff, simplifying the sales incentive game. Spiff emerged in late 2017 with a mission to take the pain out of sales commissions. They offer a cloud-based software platform that streamlines the entire process. Here's how it works. Companies set up their commission plans in spiff's user-friendly interface. These plans can be as simple or complex as needed, factoring in various metrics like sales volume, product type, or customer acquisition. The magic happens with real-time visibility. Sales reps can log into spiff and see exactly how much they've earned based on their activity. No more waiting for cryptic paychecks or deciphering spreadsheets. This transparency motivates teams, fosters trust, and keeps everyone laser-focused on achieving goals. Spiff's rise to prominence. Founded in late 2017, spiff quickly gained traction, especially among fast-growing companies. These businesses often face the challenge of managing commission structures as they scale rapidly. Spiff's solution offered a welcome relief. But spiff's appeal wasn't limited to startups. Their platform's scalability and robust features have attracted mid-sized and even enterprise-level companies with thousands of employees. Spiff's ability to handle complex commission plans and integrate seamlessly with existing CRM systems like Salesforce makes it a powerful tool for organizations of all sizes. Recognition followed. Spiff has been named to incorporate its best in business list and has garnered praise for its user-friendly interface and commitment to social responsibility. So, how long has spiff been around? Now for the answer you've been waiting for. Spiff has been operating since late 2017. That means they've witnessed significant growth in the sales commission software market, establishing themselves as a leader in the space. Their innovative approach and commitment to user experience have positioned them to revolutionize how sales teams are compensated and motivated. Spiff, a game changer in sales incentives. With spiff, the era of confusing commission structures is fading away. Their platform empowers both sales reps and finance teams, fostering transparency, boosting morale, and ultimately driving sales success. Whether you're a seasoned salesperson or a company looking to optimize your incentive programs, spiff is definitely a name to keep on your radar. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.